Trump meme coin is here, and we need to talk about it. Okay, what is President Trump thinking about launching a meme coin literally on Friday, which was just a few days before his inauguration? I really don't know, but we're going to talk about it, guys. I feel like this video should have came out sooner. Now, I was aware of this Trump meme coin on Friday, but due to the surgery recently and just course of the weekend with family, it was difficult to put it out. So we're going to talk about it now. But this is our Discord, and this is where I talked about it actually firsthand. What was this on 119? So January 19th. I did let the Discord at least know. I didn't make a video, but what is going on, guys? Trump. It's called Trump officially. And so there was a post on the Truth Social post. And Truth Social is, again, something owned by Trump, saying that cryptocurrency is celebrating winning the presidential election and his upcoming inauguration. It's interesting that he'd put out a meme coin. Some people were saying that his account got hacked. Some people were saying it was Trump Jr. That got his phone. A lot of people are saying that it's fake. And man, overlooking over the weekend, we have experienced a lot of volatility with the Trump coin. And anyways, none the least, the price of Trump rapidly rose by more than 300% on Saturday morning and kept rallying Saturday night before hitting just around $65 a share at around noon on Sunday. Now reaching a market cap of 13 billion, basically creating $13 billion out of thin air. Yeah, that's right. Okay. If you guys are wondering, this is our Discord. It is the first link in the description. You can sign up for free or get involved for free. I'm sure you have a Discord, but free server. Come check it out. We have a lot of great stuff in here. So the price of Trump rapidly rose more than 300% on Saturday, and then this created, I guess the only way you could really trade this was through Solana blockchain. Basically surpassed $75 early Sunday morning, bringing the total market cap to 15 billion. Okay, not million, not a couple hundred million, not just whatever. 15 billion dollars. Okay, so we brought it up. Okay, you can see the official price right now currently on Coin Market Cap. So when you click on this, it pulls this up, Coin Market Cap, and right now official Trump, okay, Trump token is at $44.06. Guys, what is going on? Why is Trump making a meme coin? Why is he using so much influence and just kind of like, he's already a major influence, right? He's president of the United States. But then he's going to use it to make a meme coin, to make more money, to, I'm not sure. But if you're still watching this video, guys, I want you to know that 80% of this official Trump is owned by Trump and Trump family or Trump associates or Trump whatever. But 80% is owned. 80% is owned by one person. Okay, let's make that clear. So be very careful with this. Now, on the charts here, it says that it started around $7.08. You could have bought it much cheaper. You could have bought it for much more. Now, this is actually publicly traded on Robinhood. You can buy this on Robinhood app right now. You could buy this, okay? So it went from $7 to $76.40. $76. What is that? 75. Oh, okay, my bad. I guess let's see, $75 in like less than 24 hours, less than over the weekend. Then it sold off all the way to $38, rallied a little bit back up to 60, went all the way back down to 33, high as 47, and now we're at 43 again. So a lot of volatility. I guess it's still holding its truth of actually being real, which is insane. The market cap right now is 8 billion, so it was at 15 billion. More than half of the market cap has been wiped out. Okay, almost 40%, and this is nuts. Okay, circulating supply right now is 200 million Trump. they did say there is an article talking about how it's going to get to, I think, 3 million Trump or 3 billion Trump, and then that'll be it. There won't be any more available. Um, it's just it's insane. And then or Melania, whatever her name is, right? Our first lady president. She also released a token. So I don't understand why people with such major influence are dropping meme coins. It's sad, to be honest, and I'm not exactly too happy with it. So right here we were tracking it. 119 at 10:29 at night. It pushed up 24%, up $61, and then just a little later on, you see it dump to 37, over 38% in less than 1 day. So be very careful with Trump coin. If you've heard a lot of chatter about it, you've heard people investing in it, or people just talking about it in your office, now you have a little bit more information of exactly what Trump coin is. There's really nothing that has any value to Trump coin. It's like buying an NFT or buying like a utility to use, or like artwork that you would put up in your house. Like there's really no value to it unless people see value in it. And just be careful, guys. Bitcoin is already, crazy enough. And then you get involved with these meme coins. I personally don't invest in any meme coins. So I would, make sure that you guys also are aware of the benefits and the downsides. And most times, these companies will pump and then they will dump. And, they can go up 100, 200, 300%, but they could also go down 100, 200%. And if you're caught buying at the top because now you're finally hearing about it and you hear people saying, hey, this is going to go to $100 when it's barely able to sustain $30 or $40 or $50 or $70, we need to be very careful, because then that could pull back and we can definitely suffer the consequences. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. Our community is growing. We have over 6,400 subscribers on the channel right now, close to 300 members in the Discord, and guys, believe it or not, we have over 70,000 members in our Investing for Beginners community on Facebook. So, all together, guys, we have almost 100,000 members worldwide, all wanting to do the same thing, and that's learn how to make money in the stock market. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely subscribe, and we'll see you all in our morning live stream day trading sessions that I host Monday through Friday, 100% free for now, in 2025. Who knows, by next year, we may actually have to start charging or providing some kind of free or some kind of access VIP membership to some of my live day trading sessions. So for now, it's free. Definitely get in while you can, and it's lifetime access. So you get access for life. If it does become paid, you'll still be able to get in and not have to pay for it. So thank you for your time. Like always, let's remember to end the year on a green note. Meantime, go watch a couple of these other great videos, and we'll see you in tomorrow's live stream. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.